Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, today I'm sitting in my 2015 Jeep Renegade and I'm going to show you how to change the language on the displays. Now if you're like me, you've probably knocked it into Italian a few times, so when we actually turn the car on, all of the messages there, even when we scroll through, are actually in Italian. And what you'll notice is even the center console, once it loads up, will also be in Italian. So relatively easy fix. So I'm just going to wait for this screen to actually load. Going to hit the accept button there, and then all we're going to do is come to this cog here, go to display, go on that bottom one there which currently says Italiano, give that a click, and then down there we actually have English. Once we go there and go on and then hit the X, all of our messages have come back to English. So there we go, nice quick easy video for you. If you found that helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.